Hey guys, I am coming today to do a not really a tutorial, but I'm just gonna try putting this ponytail in my hair. It's a drawstring ponytail. I have never used one before, so it should be interesting. I used clip-ons before, but never drawstring. So today I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to just slick my hair back. I'm going to use TGIN products, and I'm going to use this Sassy Natural Curl Drawstring Ponytail. So that's what it looks like. And this is 4 brown is the color, and it's synthetic. The length is 16 inches. And I'm hoping I can do a top knot also with this. I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to do it in this video, but I am going to do the ponytail and see how this looks. I wanted to show you this. I just went to the grocery store and I was in desperate need of a lip balm because I've been wearing a lot of MAC lipsticks, and the MAC lipsticks really is drying to my lips, and it was actually I think it was breaking me out. Not really breaking me out, but I was having like severe itching, and it started to get dark around my lips. And the only thing I've been using is the Nivea lip balm and the Blistex, just the creamy Blistex. So I've been on search, I've been on a hunt for something that will like really just moisturize my lips and hydrate my lips. So today I came across this at the grocery store, and I'm always willing to share any little, no matter how basic it is, I'm willing to share it on my channel, because you never know what somebody may need. But this right here is the Blistex. If you can see, hopefully you can see it. If you can't see the words, I'll pop it down below. But it's a lip serum, and it has vitamin E, and it has a lot of different oils in there, and it comes in a pump. So I just put some on. I can show you just how it looks. It's a cream, and it goes on so silky smooth. Like seriously, as soon as I put it on, I was like, this is what I needed. This is exactly what my lips need. And it just feels so good on my lips. So I just wanted to share this with you because I've never seen this in the store. And I went to Target. I have been, to different places, Rite Aid, CVS. I have not seen anything like this, so it feels really nice on my lips. It feels really smooth, and it definitely, I know it's going to heal my lips from this irritation that I've had with wearing lipstick. So, and it has SPF 15 in it. I just know that I love it, so I just wanted to share that with you. And I'm going to get started with just spritzing my hair with the TGIN rose water. Now my hair, I haven't been doing much to my hair during the week, and I pretty much, after I wash, drop my lipstick. After I wash my hair, I usually wash my hair on Sundays now, and after I wash, I leave it in twist the whole week, and it's untouchable. I do not put anything in it all week. So by the end of the week, I definitely need to refresh it before I do any kind of style. So I'm just going to untwist. And if y'all wondering how come I'm just wearing one earring, it's because I think I'm getting an infection on this ear. It hurts, and I'm noticing every time I put my earring in my ear, it really is in pain. So I know, I think a long time ago I had an infection with wearing earrings, and it got to the point where it was like kind of closing up. So I'm just going to leave it alone. I don't see anything around my ear But I did wear this out. Nobody said anything. I mean, I don't think people even noticed that I had one earring in my ear. But it kind of reminds me of Janet Jackson when she used to wear that key in her ear. She just used to have just that one key in her ear. So I just started a new trend. So I thought it looked cute, so I just left it like that. I was gonna actually put a pearl in his ear, but I just don't. Right now, I just don't want to mess with my ear. I'll just leave it alone. I put alcohol on it, and I'll probably put some alcohol on it before I go to sleep. But I may have to get some little earrings just because I don't want the hole to close up. So I may just put a little stud in my ear so it doesn't close. Because I definitely am. It took me a long time to get my ears pierced. I think I got my ears pierced when I was 16. And I was so scared. And I know it's nothing to nobody now because people get pierced all over the place. They got pierced all over their body. But I don't like pain. I don't like to see blood. So it's a big deal for me. And I'll just deal with my one single pair of earrings. I would like to actually get double hoops. It'd be cute to have two, or like one of those what are those earrings that hug around your ear? I forgot what they're called. But those I like those too. But my hair doesn't feel very dry, but surprisingly, okay, I think all of it is out. And what I'm just gonna comb it through. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna turn on I just realized I don't have all of my lighting on, so hold on just 1 second. I want to make sure I have the best lighting possible. I always tend to forget something in my videos, but I had to go back downstairs to get the scissors because I had forgot to get my scissors to cut the package. Okay, so I'm going to put this in, grab a ponytail holder. One of these. I'm just going to put all my hair up. I'm going to adjust this camera just a little bit. That's good. Okay, so I wrapped it around 3 times. Normally I only do 2. And I'm going to open this this way. Actually, I don't need scissors. It has but I will need scissors for this part. a little bit softer texture than I thought it was, but I think it should blend. It's the same color. I really hate to see two-tone textures. I like it to look as natural as possible. Okay, so it has a comb, and here's the drawstring. And what I'm going to do is put just a little, I'm going to lay down with some gel. Don't have my water bottle. I just wet it with some rose water. Put some gel, TGIN. Curl Bomb. Okay. This may be my go-to summer hairstyle for real. I think it's going to be real easy to do. And as you know, I'm a natural hair minimalist, so I don't fuss too much with my hair. I like to live a simple, carefree life. Okay, so I'll just brush it a little bit. Okay, and so I'm just going to add this. I'm going to put this comb. First I'm going to just maybe twist this so it's not loose. Protect the ends as much as possible. And then tuck it under so there's like a ball. Just clamp it down and then roll it right over that ball. Get the string. Actually, I should have put it a little bit higher up. Much higher up. I don't want it that. I want it to actually sit up top like that. So push up a little higher. Okay, so it's a loose ball, but it's twisted at the end. As long as it fits in, be able to grab a hold and have it hold my hair. I'm so excited to pull the string. I'm curious to see. I don't know where the string goes if I just tuck this under. I definitely will put some bobby pins. Put a little bit of bobby pins. I'm going to put hairpins. Just to Make sure my hair doesn't blow away in the wind. I'm not sure if it really blends with my hair, but this is the closest match because all the other ponytails were like straighter texture. In the packaging, this looked like it was going to be more of a 4C texture, but it's not. It looks like if I blow dry my hair, it probably would blend a little bit better. But it's cute. What y'all think? It's kind of cute, and my battery is running out. So on that note, I just want to give you a full view. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad. All I'm missing is my lipstick. I got me fuchsia today, and this is with this is called What If, which I have featured in an old video of mine. And I am ready. So thanks for watching. New look, new season. So take care, and thanks for watching, and thanks for supporting. Thanks for all you that have supported me for quite a while, and welcome all the new subscribers. Thanks for joining me on this video, and we will chat later. Bye.